2 Peshawar from World Watch Social Studies for Primary Schools 3. Peshawar is a city located in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. It is the capital city of the province and serves as an important economic, political, and cultural center in the region. Peshawar is one of the oldest cities in South Asia and has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Key features and points of interest in Peshawar include historical significance. Peshawar has been a prominent city throughout history due to its strategic location along important trade routes and its proximity to the Khyber Pass, a mountain pass connecting Central Asia with South Asia. Bazaars and markets. The city is famous for its vibrant bazaars and markets, such as Kissa Kwani Bazaar, which offer a wide range of goods including spices, textiles, handicrafts, and more. Khyber Pass. The Khyber Pass is an iconic mountain pass located near Peshawar. It has played a crucial role in trade and invasions throughout history. Peshawar Museum. The Peshawar Museum houses a diverse collection of artifacts, including archaeological treasures, sculptures, coins, and more, reflecting the region's rich history. Bala Hissa Fort. This historic fort overlooks the city and has seen various rulers and civilizations over the centuries. Gandhara Civilization. Peshawar is a gateway to the ancient Gandhara region, known for its Buddhist heritage and archaeological sites, including the famous Buddhist stupas and monasteries. Cultural diversity. Peshawar is a melting pot of various ethnicities and cultures, with a significant Pashtun population. This diversity is reflected in its cuisine, clothing, and traditions. Education and institutions. Peshawar is home to several universities and educational institutions, contributing to the intellectual and academic landscape of Pakistan. Economic hub. The city serves as an economic hub for the region, with various industries and businesses contributing to its economy. A. Write the answers in your notebook. 1. How far is Peshawar from the Khyber Pass? Ans. It is 48 kilometers, 30 miles, from the Khyber Pass. 2. Which pass is used to travel from Peshawar to Afghanistan? Ans. The Khyber Pass is a long, winding, and barren passage that connects Pakistan to Afghanistan. 3. Write 2 facts about Peshawar to prove that it is an old city. Ans. There are some very old buildings in Peshawar. Many of them have carved patterns on them. The city once had a large wall around it with 16 gates. 4. Name any 2 famous landmarks of Peshawar. Ans. Mahabat Khan Mosque. This beautiful mosque was built in the 1670s. It has an open courtyard and a row of rooms around the sides. The inside of the prayer hall is decorated with colorful patterns. Peshawar Museum. This museum was built in 1907. It has one of Pakistan's best collections of Gandhara art. There are wooden carvings and a gallery displaying Islamic objects. 5. How is the Warsak Dam useful? Ans. The water stored in the dam is used for farming and in homes. The dam is also used to generate electricity. B. Find the words hidden in the puzzle. Complete the list. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar, Bazaar, Trade, Pashtu, Warsak Dam, Leather. C. Complete the sentences. Choose from the words in the box. Rain hot March winters monsoon May. 1. Peshawar has very hot summers and cold winters. 2. The winter months are from November to March. 3. The summer months are from May to September. 4. Peshawar does not have a monsoon season. 5. Most of the rain falls between February and April. D. Write true or false. 1. Peshawar is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. True. 2. The only way to travel to Peshawar is through the Khyber Pass. False. 3. Peshawar is near the Arabian Sea. False. 4. Peshawar is a new city like Islamabad. False. 5. Kissa Kwani Bazaar is an old bazaar in Peshawar. True. 6. Islamia College became a university in 2008. True. 7. People speak only Pashto and Hindko in Peshawar. False. Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like,